All right, guys, I've been out here sharpening all day, as most of you witnessed in the Instagram live feeds. So we are going to, I gotta do this because last time I had a beer in my video that I showed, it got demonetized. So we have a solution for this. At any rate, what I was saying is, this is going to be the actual giveaway video where you're going to make comments below for the small EDC fire starter kit. But stand by, I'm gonna get my intro in so that everybody sees it, and we will start that process right now. So guys, here's the deal with this giveaway. I am giving away this $20 case, or this like $10 case, and this $10 kit. This all thing together is like a $20 value, I think. I think he said $19.98 actually was the price. So, I haven't had a beer in a couple days. Tastes mighty fine. So what you get on this is a Fiberlight fire starter mini ferro rod. The ferro rod is right here. Striker is inside. And then I'm not gonna blow on this, but there's a whistle. I blew on it the other day. Ranger band to hold it together. And then a pocket-friendly kit of their tinder for starting a fire. If you guys watched my video about it, you know that it's great. You can burn it on a bowl of water. You can push it under and get it all wet, it still burns. So you're getting that, plus the waterproof pocket slip. Now this is an EDC kit that you can actually put in your pocket size. Now it's not wanting to go together. So these go together. They separate on the I think it's like $19.98 he said for this. So you're getting that. If you watched the video I did at Matt's house with this fire starter kit, they work really well. So here's how this has to work. I'm gonna say I've gotta get 100 likes to actually do the giveaway. I gotta get 100 likes on this video to do the giveaway. This is like a like to giveaway. The other one's gonna be a little different in another video. A like to giveaway, 100 likes on this video, and you have to comment in it as well. So what we're gonna do is, however many comments, if we get close to 100, like if we get like 50 or 60 likes, I'll probably still do it, but I would like to see 100 likes. It's a like to give away. We have to get a large number of likes on us to give it away. So we'll do the same thing we've done before. Your comment is your entry. I will go through in the video, and I'm not gonna read all the comments. It's just basically you have to be subscribed to my channel, and then you have to do you have to make a comment, and your comment's your entry. So that's how that's gonna work. I'll get it out as soon as possible. If you win and you're overseas, you will have to pay the shipping for it. I will do this as an international giveaway, but you have to pay the shipping on it. And as of right now, I'm not going to the post office, so this will be something that's gonna be on hold. I really am not going to the post office. I have an autoimmune disorder. I do not want to be around people. If I can find my respirator that I've misplaced, yes, I will go. The fact is, I'm probably not gonna ship until things get better. I can't afford to bring that shit home with me. So, like the giveaway, short video, that's it. Fire starter kit. Guys at Fiberlight, they're great guys. John and Justin, I love them. They gave these things to me to give away. There's gonna be stickers with it. Like I said, you're gonna get, I think, 4 stickers. There's gonna be 2 of these and then 2 of these. They're photo negatives of each other. So you get 4 stickers total to give away to people. So you get that and these, and that will go out together. And yeah, we'll do a like. I have to get a large number of likes to make it worth it, because then that video gets shared and things like that. So yeah, that's basically it. Like the video here, make a comment here, that's your entry. And I would really appreciate it if you guys would go and follow Fiberlight Fire Starters on Instagram. They have a YouTube channel, they don't do anything there. Follow them on Instagram, they put up a lot of content. The guys are great. We're talking about me going with them to Portland this year to actually be at Blade West with them. Since I can't afford to go, Justin was talking about, how about we take you? And I was like, I like the way that sounds. So, and then, like I said, this video, if I can get it set up before, will be the first video with the subscribe button on it somewhere, or we'll figure out how that works. But that's another thing that, like, content, how outside of some of the small stuff that I do, content will be, there'll be some exclusive content for those people, and there'll probably be some exclusive giveaways on that. I have a couple things that are some higher dollar items. I have a few things that I'm thinking about just giving away on the channel. We're talking like, not like some of the other stuff I've given away. These are really great. They're not very expensive, and they're great. I'm talking about, we're talking like some items that, we're talking like a $500 custom knife that I'm thinking about giving away. It's in my case. It's not a great knife. I'm not saying it's great. I just know that it's a $500 knife and it's a full custom. That's something that will be an exclusive members only giveaway. So just something to think about. If you're interested in joining that and that's something you want to get, is like, hey, I mean, a $500, it's not a horrible knife, but it's just not something I would want. And I have other stuff that I'm planning on just giving away because I never carry it. I never use it. It's in great shape. It's high dollar stuff. I didn't buy crappy gear. So I'm excited. I don't know if you can tell. I had a lot of caffeine because I'm planning on shooting videos until late and editing until late. Because I promised I would do this today, and I'm like, you know what? I don't want to be a liar. I want it at least done and up by tomorrow morning. So today is Wednesday. Since I'm doing it late, today is Wednesday the 15th. We will give it, let's give it one business week, 5 days. We'll give it until the 20th. And we'll see how it fills out. And if we're good, we will do the giveaway. Does that sound good to fair to everybody? I hope so. Give it a thumbs up. There'll be stuff in the corners. There'll be a link to, I believe in this corner this time, I'm going to do a link to Ashton's channel so that you guys can follow Ashton. He's another knife guy. That's the name of his channel. Down here is going to be a Patreon link, which I'm going to probably stop putting up because no one pays attention to the Patreon link. Up here is going to be a subscription link, and up here is going to be a video that YouTube thinks you like how I did that, all different directions at once. Lots of caffeine. You guys take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.